Hello and welcome to Too Sharp. I'm Meghna Chadda. Global markets stabilize after intense sell-off, and Tesla's market value halves in Trump's first 50 days. Now let's break down the market movements from Tuesday after a dramatic Monday. Stock markets around the world had a rough start, but things started to improve in the second half on Tuesday. European markets were more stable after Monday's sharp sell-off. The Stoxx 600, which tracks major European stocks, was pretty flat. Meanwhile, markets in Asia Pacific outside Japan recovered marginally from intraday lows. US stock futures were also up by 0.3%. This was a big change compared to Monday when fears of an economic slowdown were making investors nervous. US President Donald Trump in an interview talked about a period of transition and didn't rule out the possibility of a recession. And this is what triggered a big sell-off in the US stocks. As stocks took a hit, a lot of investors turned to safe haven assets like US Treasuries, causing the yield on the US 10-year bond to drop significantly. The yield fell 10 basis points on Monday, its largest drop in almost a month, and then another 2 basis points on Tuesday. Traders are now pricing in an 85 basis points easing from Fed this year, betting that US growth, they believe that weak US growth will compel the Federal Reserve to start easing again. Moving on, the first 50 days of Trump's second term have been tough on stock markets across the globe, with Tesla being one of the biggest casualties. Since Trump returned to office on January 20th, Tesla shares have plunged nearly 48%, driven by falling sales, weak earnings, and CEO Elon Musk's growing political influence. Initially optimistic about Trump's return to the White House, Wall Street is now grappling with the fallout. Initially optimistic about Trump's return to the White House, the Wall Street is now grappling with the fallout from rising tariffs, economic uncertainty, and heightened market volatility. On Monday, Tesla's stock closed at its lowest point since October 2024, erasing all of its post-election gains. Investors who once saw Tesla as a major beneficiary of Trump's policies are now fleeing amid concerns over Musk's leadership and the company's ongoing challenges. Monday's drop also marked the biggest decline in Tesla stock since 2020. Now, Tesla isn't the only Trump trade to suffer. Trump Media, which owns the social media platform Truth Social, has seen its stock drop by 44% since Trump returned to office. The company, which is heavily dependent on Trump's popularity, has faced challenges with regulatory scrutiny and shrinking user base.